Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how can you download WinRAR. So for downloading it, search here WinRAR and just wait. Now click on first link, download WinRAR. So here you can see the website is opened. Now click on this WinRAR 7.13 and just wait. So here you can see the downloading has been started. So it is downloading. So just wait. It will take some time to install. So as you can see, the WinRAR is downloaded. So double click it. If any pop-up shows, click on yes. Now click on install. And here, click tick mark this and these two checkbox, and then click on OK. And then click on done. So this is how you can download and install WinRAR in your computer. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.